Well, the BJP MP from Mandi, Kangana Ranaut, has once again stirred the controversy. She suggested that Bangladesh-like situation could have erupted in India as well, but for the country's strong leadership. She went on to say that bodies were found hanging and rapes were, in fact, they took place during the farmers' protest against the now repealed 3 farm laws, alleging the involvement of China as well as US in what she calls a conspiracy. Now, wary of the fallout and having burned their finger once before, the Bharatiya Janata Party has quickly denounced its Lok Sabha MP for her remarks. In a statement, party expressed disagreement with her views and made it clear that she is neither permitted or authorized to comment on the party's policy. Now, BJP has also directed Kangana Ranaut to not make any statement of this kind in future as well. But as far as BJP is concerned, BJP's swift damage control to shield itself from any possible blowback in the poll season has had no impact on the opposition party. Congress and other opposition parties went after the Bharatiya Janata Party with LOP in Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge saying that remarks have exposed the anti-farmer mindset of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Listen in.
अगर ये उनका मत नहीं है, अगर आपकी पार्टी का ये मत नहीं है, तो निकाल बाहर करिए ऐसे सांसद को। अगर ये आपका मत नहीं है, तो इस देश के किसानों के खिलाफ जिसने इस तरह की बात की है, उसको किसी कीमत पर संसद में बैठने का हक नहीं है। हाथ जोड़ के माफी मंगवाइए किसानों से, और अगर ये सब कुछ नहीं कर सकते तो आप खुद माफी मांगिए इस देश के किसानों से।
ये उनका निजी बयान है, निजी मत होता है। भाजपा का ये मत नहीं है। भाजपा सबका साथ, सबका विकास, सबका विश्वास में विश्वास करती है। अपेक्षा करते हैं कि वे आगे से इस प्रकार के बयान नहीं देंगी और पार्टी की जो लाइन है उससे अलग जाकर बयानबाजी नहीं करेंगे।
The Haryana unit of the Aam Aadmi Party will be hitting the streets in all districts of the state today to protest against Kangana's remark. Samyukta Kisan Morcha has also sought an unconditional apology from the BJP MP and the Prime Minister as well, warning of a public boycott of the actor turned politician. So this is as far as the remark by Kangana Ranaut is concerned. The opposition parties have sought apology from her, while we are also going to see a protest in Haryana as well as far as her remarks are concerned.
अभी जो ये कंगना रनावत ने बेहद ही दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण और गंदा बयान किसानों के ऊपर दिया है, इसकी जितनी ज्यादा आलोचना करी जाए उतनी ही कम है। कंगना रनावत का विवादों से पुराना नाता रहा है। पहले इन्होंने एक बार ये कहा था कि ये किसान आंदोलन में जो महिलाएं आती हैं वो 100 रुपया लेके आती हैं। अब उन्होंने ये कह दिया कि किसान आंदोलन में रेप हो रहे थे, हत्याएं हो रही थी। तो ये जो विवादास्पद बयान बार बार दे रही हैं, इन बयानों पर भाजपा के शीर्ष नेतृत्व द्वारा रोक लगाए जाने की जरूरत है। हम कंगना रनावत को इस लायक नहीं समझते कि उनके बयान पे कोई जवाब दिया जाए, लेकिन जवाब तो माननीय प्रधानमंत्री और माननीय गृहमंत्री जी को देना चाहिए। अब जब तीसरी बार नरेंद्र मोदी जी प्रधानमंत्री बने तो उन्होंने कहा था कि वो किसान कल्याण को लेकर पूर्ण तौर पे समर्पित हैं। माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी वैचारिक तौर पे, पॉलिसीज तौर पे हमारा आपकी सरकार के साथ मतभेद हो सकता है, लेकिन हम भी इस देश के नागरिक हैं। आप इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, इस देश के मुखिया हैं। क्या ये चीज शोभा दे रही है कि आपकी पार्टी की एक सांसद लगातार बार बार किसानों और मजदूरों को अपमानित करने का प्रयास कर रही है? वो किसान और मजदूर जो अपना पेट खाली रख के पूरे देश का पेट भरने का कार्य करते हैं। एनसीआरबी के आंकड़ों के अनुसार लगातार सरकारों की गलत नीतियों के कारण 1990 के दशक से लेकर अब तक 4 लाख से अधिक किसान और मजदूर आत्महत्या करने पर मजबूर हो चुके हैं। उन किसान मजदूरों के बारे में इस तरीके की टिप्पणी करना क्या वो उचित है माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी? और अगर उचित नहीं है, अगर आप कंगना रनावत के इस बयान से सहमत नहीं हैं, तो आपकी पार्टी को कंगना रनावत के ऊपर स्ट्रिक्ट एक्शन लेते हुए उसे तुरंत।
My colleague Rishabh joins us live on the broadcast. Rishabh, BJP has cracked the whip on Kangana Ranaut, but despite that, opposition parties are demanding apology from her, and we're also learning that there's going to be a protest by the Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana today. Give us more details.
Well, definitely, Kangana Ranaut's statement on the whole farmer protest has stirred a controversy, while BJP has distanced itself from the Member of Parliament's statement, saying that she is neither permitted nor authorized to speak on party's policy, but the damage has been done. Remember, the Haryana elections have been announced, and all the parties are getting that such statement coming in from a sitting Member of Parliament has dented the prospects of Bharatiya Janata Party in Haryana as well. Remember, in Haryana, the Bharatiya Janata Party had changed the Chief Minister, have changed the cabinet, and were gearing up to go into election with new faces. But now this statement coming in has given ammunition to the opposition parties, be it Congress, be it Aam Aadmi Party, all are up in ante against BJP. Congress do understand that this statement can be used emotionally for the elections as well, and that's the reason we heard it from Supriya Shrinate that it is very clear that if the party do not, subscribe to what Kangana Ranaut has said, then why not sack her from the party membership? And if not sacking, why is the senior leadership, including the Home Minister of India, Amit Shah, not apologizing for the same? So it is very clear that Kangana Ranaut has put the whole party in soup right now, and opposition parties will not let go of this opportunity this easily.
Well, Rishabh, stay on with us. Not just in Haryana, but protests also took place in Madhya Pradesh as well. And this is the breaking input we are getting. These protests were by the Sikh group who protested against the remark that were made by Kangana Ranaut. And their demand is that Kangana Ranaut's Padma Shri should in fact be withdrawn, is the demand that has been raked up in Madhya Pradesh. Rishabh continues to be live with us. Rishabh, not just in Haryana, but also in Madhya Pradesh, we are seeing that there were protests that took place. Now the demand is that her Padma Shri award should be withdrawn.
If you see, this statement has hit the farmer protests throughout the country, be it in Madhya Pradesh, be it in Haryana, be it in Punjab. Similar protests would be seen in Madhya Pradesh. The Sikh groups in Madhya Pradesh has now demanded a revocation of Padma Shri that has been awarded to Kangana Ranaut. Remember, Kangana Ranaut is an acclaimed actress. She has won national awards for her performance in various movies.
All right, my colleague Govind Gujjar also joins us from Madhya Pradesh. Govind, this protest in fact took place, and the demand is that her Padma Shri should in fact be taken back. Give us more details.
Yeah, absolutely. Yesterday in the late evening, in fact, this protest was conducted there in Indore by Sikh community, and they were saying that it was a kind of insult which was in fact intolerable for these people who are from the Sikh community. They just demanded, in fact, for the withdrawal of Padma Shri award, which was honored to Kangana Ranaut, but in an interview, she just whatever reacted about the farmer community, that is somewhat intolerable for this Sikh community. They just protested there yesterday in the evening. In fact, जो श्री सिख सिंह समाज के अध्यक्ष रिंकू भाटिया हैं, जो सांसद संपूर्ण सिख समाज के से माफी मांगने की बात भी उन्होंने कही है। भाजपा राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष से ये बात उन्होंने कही है, और ये तमाम मांगे उस प्रदर्शन के दौरान रखी गई जो इंदौर में कल देर शाम हुआ। इसमें उन्होंने अपनी नाराजगी भी जाहिर की है। तो दिस इज समवॉट काइंड ऑफ outrage definitely intensifying against BJP MP Kangana Ranaut.
That's right. The outrage is intensifying. Yesterday there was a protest in Madhya Pradesh, and today there's going to be a protest in Haryana by the Aam Aadmi Party. Thanking Govind as well as Rishabh for all the details. Now,